So I also have 2016, so I'm going to walk through the steps that I would use to complete this task. So in my version, I would go to the Data tab and get data. And then from Database, from Access Database. Now I obviously probably have mine saved in a different place. So I would navigate to wherever I have that file saved, which as you can see I have 700 folders to go through. And then I would choose the file I want. And I don't remember which of these is your project, but I'll pick this one and then click Import. So I think this is a little different than maybe what the videos may say. So this is what opens up. Eventually. And then I would pick the table that the directions are asking for. And in my version, if I wanted to choose where it would go, I would click this arrow and then do Load To. Right now it would be set to go to column I, which is not ideal. So here I could say existing worksheet, and then I would pick a cell where I want it to go, and then I could click OK. And it should be importing my data any moment now. Sorry for the delay. I thought this would not take so long. And then here's what my data looks like, which should be pretty close to what yours will look like. So I hope this helped.